7-hour course student manual, National Uniform Standards of Professional Appraisal Practice, USPAP Update Course, 2018-2019 edition. Page 4. Back to basics. Number 1. Note: in this 7-hour update, the expression USPAP publication will be used to refer to USPAP and the guidance that is in the bound publication with USPAP. For instance, the advisory opinions, AOs, frequently asked questions, FAQs, and the index. Throughout this 7-hour National USPAP Update course, there are several Back to Basics mini discussions. The purpose of these discussions is to bring context and meaning to the material that follows them. For example, in order to understand the reasoning or impact of a certain change, it might be very important to be aware of the USPAP definition of some of the terms used to describe that reasoning or impact. In those cases, a Back to Basics may review that definition before looking at the related change. This first Back to Basics is simply a reminder that the USPAP publication, which includes USPAP, the advisory opinions, and the FAQs, also includes a table of contents for each of these sections of the publication and a consolidated index that references the entire publication. The index may be helpful in finding the solutions to many of the from your perspective cases in this course and in resolving many day-to-day real-world USPAP questions. Roman numeral 1. Why and how changes are made. The results of exposure. The ASB has been revising USPAP on a 2-year cycle. Most of the changes that are considered in each cycle are the results of issues and concerns raised by various stakeholders. Other items are the result of periodic review of USPAP to ensure that it is in line with current conditions. The ASB A. develops and releases drafts for public exposure. 1. Exposure drafts. A. The actual drafting of the language contained in an exposure draft is typically the combined result of numerous sources, including the ASB, individuals or groups within the profession, state regulators, user groups, the public, committees, and task forces appointed by the ASB, staff, and published papers within the profession. The ASB seeks a wide range of ideas and views as it develops proposed standards.